Hi, welcome to AllBrands After Hours with me, your host, Courtney Douthat. Welcome to the show where we hang out and craft together. Today we'll be making a very cute Halloween pillow, not only using the Brother ScanNCut, but the new Brother PrintModa fabric printer. Let's do this. I really want to use the ScanNCut and the PrintModa together to make a Halloween little pillow. So I have a really cute design that I have, and I'm actually going to bring it into Artspira to be able to actually print it out and then bring it to my ScanNCut, have my ScanNCut cut around it, fill it up, and then have a cute little pillow that I've custom made. And again, I could have done this out of any photo, but I have one that I really like. So let's jump into Artspira. Alrighty, so we're in Artspira, and at the bottom, we're gonna select New. Once we get into New, we have all of our different options. I already have mine set to printing because that's what I did last, and we're going to select Design Editor. Once we have Design Editor, it comes up with all the sizes that we could do, and I want to select at the bottom a custom size. Now I know that my width is 11.69 is the biggest width that I can do on my PrintModa, but now my height, that's endless. So I'm going to select my height, and this is all in inches. You can switch it around however you want. And at the bottom, I'm going to hit the add to bring in my picture. How cute is he? So I'm actually using my fingers to widen him out. However, you can select size and resize him that way. It's just easier if you put your fingers there and widen your fingers out to be able to resize him. And of course, oh my gosh, how cute is he? He's so cute. So I'm resizing him to how big my area is, and I'm going to go ahead and save him because, I mean, this is it. This is all I have to do to be able to use him is bring him in, make him whatever size. Yes, I could have changed the colors and did all this, but I like his colors. I think he looks good. So I saved him, and now again, this is saving to Artspira. This is saving to the cloud. It's not saving to my computer or anything like that. It's saving straight to the cloud. So now that we have that, we can go ahead and hit done. And I want to print. I'm selecting my PrintModa. Remember that your Artspira account and your PrintModa need to be on the same Wi-Fi, and that's how they see and talk to each other. And then we're done. We hit print. How quick, how easy was that? And how stinking cute is this guy going to be? Oh my goodness, how cute is this? Now the camera's drowning it out. It always likes to do that. If you ever watch our show, you know the camera always drowns things out. But how cute is he? He's so cute. So I could have just taken him and flipped him in Artspira to have the back of him. However, I thought it would be cute to take one of my fabrics that I have that's just, again, the camera likes to drown things out, that is orange with black polka dots to be the background of it. That way, no matter what side it's flipped to, it's really cute. So I'm going to actually take him and turn my ScanNCut on because I like, everyone's like, Courtney, what do you do all day? I let my embroidery machine, my ScanNCut, and my PrintModa hang out and talk to each other is what I do all day. Alrighty, so I'm going to put this fabric back here. So I'm going to actually take this clear backing off of my fabric roll that I used. Come on. So it's just a little clear backing. And what that's used for, oh, so satisfying. And just throw it on the floor. And what is that used for? It's just a little bit of stability to put it through the machine, but after that, it's done. And now you have just regular fabric. So I have let her sit. Brother recommends 15 minutes. However, I usually just put a piece of cloth over it and then I heat set it. It's up to you what you prefer. So I have a standard mat that is very new. She's very sticky, but if you wanted to put this on your fabric mat, you could do that as well. And I forgot. I made her really big, so she can't fit on a 12 by 12 mat. I'm gonna have to get a 12 by 24 mat out to do this. Let me grab that. There we go. Now, 12 by 24 mats are available in all sizes, all kinds, except the fabric mat. There is not a 12 by 24 fabric mat currently. There is only a 12 by 12. Brother, get it together. Give us a 12 by 24 fabric mat. So beautiful. And I saw someone in the comment section one time ask, where do I get my PrintModa? Where do I get my ScanNCut? Where do I get my mats? You get them from AllBrands. You get them from us. Alrighty, so we're gonna go ahead and load her in. There she goes. How cool. I'm just gonna switch it to this camera for a minute so that way you guys can see. This is her little paw. It is not as light as the main camera is trying to make it. Look at her. She's very cute. Alrighty. She's like waving in the distance. I love it. Alrighty, so we're going to hit scan. We're going to do it with our finger because I don't know where my stylus is. We're going to direct cut from our machine, and we're going to come here to the wrench icon to say that we're not using a 12 by 12. We are actually using a 12 by 24. We're going to hit OK. OK again, and start. All right, there she comes. She's so cute. See, this camera is doing it better and showing you the true color. The other one wanted to drown her out. Alrighty, so there she is. That's so cute. I love it. See, this camera drowns it out. So that's the true color, guys. So you can see it. That is the true color. This camera, it's the lights. There's something about it. Anyways, so there she is. We're gonna hit OK. Alrighty, so here's our image. It did a great job grabbing that. If I wanted to shrink it down, I could. I am actually going to, because see all the bottom stuff on my mat. Well, I don't want any of that, so I'm going to pull it up to right there. There we go. And we're going to hit preview. Awesome. You can just scroll up to be able to see it. It is beautiful. So we're going to hit OK. It's going to process. Now, this is where it gets fun. Now, if I cut out right on the line, well, when I go to sew it, I'm going to be sewing right on the line. But I actually like to give myself a little 1/4 inch seam allowance. So I come here and tell it to do an offset cut, which is an outline distance. And I'm going to add a little distance around it. And you could add a whole bunch of distance if you wanted to around it. But I'm just going to add, so I'm just going to add right there. So a little under 1/4, like a bit under 1/4. You see how right by his paw, if I had wanted it to go in right there, I could just take that away and it's going to get it closer and closer into there. But again, I just want a little bit of something to hold on to whenever I'm stitching. So I'm going to do probably about, like 1/4 kind of standard. Alrighty, we're going to go ahead and hit OK. OK again. And look, it gave me the outline of it. So it's gone. Where did my design go? Well, it's ready to cut. So we're going to be using our thin fabric blade to be able to cut it out. So there we go. All right, just going to drop it in right here. All right, we're going to please select. And we're going to say cut. And then half cut is on because I did vinyl last, so I'm going to hit the wrench icon, scroll down, turn half cut off because we want to go all the way through this material. Alrighty, and she's good to go. We're going to hit start. Alright, there she goes, and she's off to the races. Here she comes, going around the bottom. Don't ignore what's dirty on my mat. There she goes around. He's so cute. Every time I see him come through the camera or like on the screen, he's like, hey. All right, so let's unload him. Boop. There we go. All right. I love filming. Look at that is so cool. So I'm just gonna. All right, now you should have your spatula tool. Courtney, grab your spatula. Oh, hey, that's where my stylus went. And then go ahead, and since it is a fabric, we like to put our spatula on it and we wiggle, 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 wiggle to easily get something up. Your machine did a great job on cutting it. Help it get off the sticky mat. Okay, earn your keep. No, I'm just kidding. There we go, how cute. Oh my, he looks like a giant decal, like a sticker, doesn't he? But it's fabric. How it feels monstrous to like crinkle him up, but like how amazing. You know what? No. There we go. How amazing is he? Oh my goodness, he's so cute. Oh, I love it. Oh, I love it so much. Okay, so we're not done because I'm gonna hit OK. And so remember how we cut out the fabric? Well, I wanna give a backing, so I'm gonna do the exact same backing. Now I could turn my fabric, you know, pretty side down and just cut him out so I can get a pretty backing, or I could flip my design. So it's 1000% up to you what you would prefer. So where did I put it? Oh, I'm sitting on it. All right, so we have our other fabric. I'm gonna grab that real fast, and I'm also gonna put it on my mat and take my hair off my mat. So I'm gonna put my fabric actually pretty side down because I want the other side of it to be cut out. All right, there we go. So that way when I stitch them together, pretty sides are on the outside. All right, there we go. If you have your brayer tool, go ahead and use it. You really should be putting this on the fabric mat. But like I said, Brother hasn't given us 12 by 24 fabric mat. You could use what they call a high tack support sheet to put him back there. High tack support sheet to make it even stickier, but this is a pretty new mat, so I'm not really worried about it. Alrighty, so we're gonna load her in. And we're gonna do please select, cut, and I'm gonna cut that exact same design out. Start. Even though it's not technically what's on my mat. Now while she's cutting out, of course, we'll always like to tell you where I'm gonna be. And the next thing on the list is, of course, Houston Quilt Festival. Houston Quilt Festival on November 2nd through the 5th at the George R. Brown Convention Center. We're gonna have a lot of fun. Definitely come out and see us. I will be there all the days in the AllBrands Village, and she's done already. In the AllBrands Village, hanging out, having a good time. Courtney, why do y'all keep calling it the AllBrands Village? It's because it takes a village to get the stuff done, and of course we have a great community here at AllBrands, so come over to the AllBrands Village. We have a lot of fun. Alrighty, Courtney, you very unceremoniously ripped that off your mat. Yes, I did. Look at the cute, how cute. Okay, so now we're done with the mat. There we go. I'll pick it up later, I swear. So now when we put pretty sides together, and so, well, I guess we would put pretty sides together like this. And then we would come and sew around whatever you want it to be, and then fill it up with, you know, polyfill or some fluff, and then it'll be a very cute little pillow. Alrighty, so we've stitched our little pillow together. Courtney, are you wearing a different outfit? Yes, I don't want to talk about it. 2 different days, guys. 2 different, it's fine. Alrighty, so I've got some polyfill right here, so I'm gonna bust her on open. Yes, I should probably have scissors to do this properly, but just ripping it also works. Alright, so let's flip her inside out. I left a pretty decent size. I wanna say probably like 2.5 inch to almost 3 inch little opening at the bottom, so I could just flip it inside out. Oh my gosh, so cute. It's so stinking cute. I say that I haven't even seen it, but I know it's gonna be cute. Alrighty, there we go. You know what's funny is that this fabric and the fabric we printed feel exactly the same to me, which is nice. I'm glad. But I was just doing that, and I was like, there's not an actual like huge feeling difference, which is pretty cool. Alrighty, here we go. She's like squished. He looks like he got hit on the side of the road. Alrighty, so this is when it would be happy if you have a pencil or something that you could just stick into the little parts, like his little hat that I went around, that you could do that. There's a thing called that purple thing. Yes, that is the name of it. That you could also get to help get little bits out. Let's see, I have one of those somewhere around here. Something kind of pokey to get out all the bits. All right, so I think you'd be able to see it a little bit better if I go ahead and start filling her all up in the bottom. All right, so we're gonna grab a handful and just start filling. It's already so cute. Oh goodness. Someone said in a video, they were like, I really love your enthusiasm. Guys, I'm having a blast, if you don't know. When I do these videos, I'm having more fun than anyone in the room. And there's no one else in the room, but you know what I mean. It's still fun for me. All right, I'm not gonna make you watch me fill up this whole thing. So for you, you get a little bit of movie magic. Ready? 3, 2, 1. And don't forget that the Brother ScanNCut as well as the Brother PrintModa can be found on our website, allbrands.com, as well as all their accessories and all that good stuff. When you purchase from AllBrands, you not only purchase from a family-owned and operated business, but you also help us continue to make this education for you. So thank you so much for everyone that has purchased through AllBrands, has liked, who's subscribed. We truly, truly appreciate that. Thank you. So let's do the outro. Don't forget to like and subscribe because it's the easiest way to let us know that you want more of these videos. And y'all have a good night. Bye.